Welcome, my friends. Thanks for joining me today. We're rolling with this yoga calendar theme for this week and trying something new. So today I bring you a Kundalini Yoga inspired practice. This will be another practice where we will be focusing on the breath, syncing the breath with the movement. We'll end this practice with another yoga high, but rather than a super zenned out yoga high, it will be a more energized, focused, refreshed yoga high. Have a pillow or small bolster to sit on, and I'll meet you on the mat. We'll join together in a comfortable cross-legged seated position. Sit yourself up on a pillow or bolster on the edge. Rest your hands wherever is comfortable. We'll begin our practice with breath of fire. This is a passive inhale through your nose and a powerful exhale out your nose. And on the exhale, your navel snaps back to your spine. To help get it started, you can stick your tongue out and pant like a dog. Then close your mouth and continue that breath in and out your nose. Now that we have understood how to do a breath of fire, so let's take a full deep breath in through your nose. Long exhale out your nose. Inhale halfway and begin breath of fire. We'll be doing this for about a minute. This doesn't have to be fast to be effective. I'm sure you're already feeling in your abdominal region. When you inhale, your belly expands. When you exhale, your belly contracts. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a full deep breath in at the top and hold it. Inhale a little more, hold it. And with control, long, slow exhale out your nose. Notice how you're feeling. Breath returning to its natural rhythm. Go ahead and remove the prop for our next one. Bring your hands to your knees and begin to draw circles with your torso. Imagine that your pelvis is a bowl and your spine is a spoon stirring the inside of the bowl. So the circular movements come from the base of your spine. Syncing your breath with the movement. Inhale as you circle forward. Exhaling as you circle back. Switch directions of your circles. Stirring your spine, the spoon, and your pelvis, the bowl. Close your eyes. Connect your breath with the movement. Return to neutral. For our next one, we are going to exhale powerfully to round back in our spine with a passive inhale as you reach your chest forward, so similar to cat-cow. The breath will be similar to breath of fire that we did at the start of class. This will flow at a quicker pace to marry your breath with the movement. So once you are ready, go ahead and begin. As you flow, try to keep your neck in line with your spine and not whipping it back and forth. As mentioned, this is at a quicker pace, but it is at your own feel-good, aligned, quicker pace. Warming up your spine and have fun with it. Big breath in to inhale, reach your chest forward and hold it there. Exhale, round back in your spine. Beautiful. From here, mirroring me, let's extend your left leg out. Opposite sole of foot comes to your inner thigh. Square your hips over the extended leg. We'll exhale powerfully to hinge forward at your hips and inhale passively to rise up. And repeat that at a quicker pace to follow your breath. Your hands can frame your leg or you can touch your toe. Keep a nice long spine the entire time. Foot flex, toes to the sky. On your next inhale, we'll sit up tall, lengthen through your spine, hold your breath at the top. And slowly exhale, fold forward over your extended leg, rounding your spine. Slowly rise up, and let's take that to the second side. So extend your right leg long, opposite sole of foot coming to your inner thigh. Square your hips over the extended leg. We'll just get right into it. So inhale, lengthen up through your spine, and exhale powerfully to hinge forward at your hips. Inhale, passively rise. And repeat that at your quicker pace, following your breath. Finding your own rhythm. Leading with your heart, keeping that beautiful long spine of yours with each powerful exhale you take. Navel snapping back to spine. On your next inhale, sit up tall, lengthen through your spine, hold your breath at the top. And slowly exhale, fold forward over your extended leg, rounding in your spine. Rise up. Let's make our way to hands and knees. Stack your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hip points. Tops of feet kiss the mat. We will inhale to lower your belly and lift your gaze, and exhale to round your spine, navel draws to spine. We are keeping that same breath work, the passive inhale to lower your belly, powerful exhale to draw your navel to spine, so this will flow at a quicker pace, but flow with control. Go ahead and begin once you're ready. Stay true to your alignment and finding a pace that feels good in your body with your breath. Keeping your neck in line with your spine and not whipping your head. Next time you inhale, lower your belly, hold it there with a full, complete in-breath. And long, slow exhale out, completely rounding your spine, crown of head lowers to the mat. Good work, my friend. For our next one, we're going to keep the same flow, but we're going to add in our leg. So inhale to extend your right toes to the sky, taking it into a back, and we exhale, draw your knee in through center, hugging it in towards your nose. Passive inhale to extend your leg to the sky, powerful exhale to draw your knee into your nose. This one is more challenging, so remember to find your own pace with your breath, staying true to your alignment. The next time you inhale, take a full deep breath in and hold it at the top with your toes reaching to the sky. And long, slow exhale, rounding in your spine, drawing knee in towards your nose. Release and lower with control. Let's take that right over to the left side. Inhale, extend your left toes to the sky. We exhale, draw your knee in through center. Passive inhale to extend your leg to the sky. Powerful exhale to knee to nose. Finding your own rhythm, your own flow. The next time you inhale, take that full deep breath in and hold it. Toes reaching to the sky. Long, slow exhale, rounding in your spine. Draw knee into your nose. Hold it. Release and lower with control. Make your way to a comfortable cross-legged seated position. With your long spine, close your eyes and take a moment to sit with how you're feeling, noticing the energy within your body. We are moving it up into our shoulders. For our next one, place all your 4 fingers to the front side of your shoulder with your thumb to the back. Your elbows will be parallel with your shoulders. We're going to inhale to the left, so you'll be going in the opposite direction of me, and exhale to the right. We'll continue this side to side, taking that passive inhale, powerful exhale. All right, return to center, and when you're ready to begin, inhale to the left and exhale to the right. Feel that twist the navel point with your powerful exhales. Stay broad across your chest and your collarbones. Keep your elbows at same height as your shoulders as you go side to side. And deep breath in to return to center. Exhale to release your palms to your thighs. Close your eyes. Take a moment noticing how you're feeling. For our final one, we are going to take shoulder shrugs. We will inhale to squeeze your shoulder towards your ears and exhale to drop and release your shoulders. As with all of them, we will do that quicker pace. So once you're ready, go ahead and begin. This may not feel like it. It might seem counterintuitive, but this is a great way to release tension stored in your shoulders. Keep it up. The next time you inhale, take a full deep breath in and squeeze your shoulders up towards your ears and hold it there. Squeeze them up a little more. And exhale, slowly soften and melt your shoulders away from your ears. And we'll take one more round of breath of fire to boost our energy before we step off the mat and into our day. We'll take full Kundalini Ego Eradicator by bringing your 4 fingertips to the pads of your fingers. Your thumbs point out. And we'll lift your arms to a 45-degree angle, your thumbs pointing up. Take a full deep breath in. Exhale out. Breathe in halfway and begin breath of fire, pumping your navel. This one will be a little shorter than our first rounds. You got this. Keep going. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep breath in, hold it at the top. Your thumbs come overhead to kiss. Breathe in a little more. Grab the floor with the base of your spine. Hold your breath as long as you can. Before you super slowly exhale, and as you exhale, your arms slowly circle down, feeling the space of your aura, the energy you've cultivated in your aura, lowering them all the way down to the earth. And once your hands arrive at the earth, go ahead and tap the ground a few times to truly reground yourself, feeling that connection with the earth beneath you. Hands rest to your knees and sit with how you're feeling after our Kundalini inspired practice. Bring your hands to prayer at heart, sending love and light to you and all beings. Namaste. I would absolutely love to hear how this Kundalini Yoga practice went for you in the comments below. Was it your first time? Did you enjoy? Maybe it's not your thing. Let me know below. The other practice a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and please take a moment to subscribe to my channel to get the latest Yoga Love practices released each week. From my heart to yours.